Hi, hello dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, indefinite integration formulas I am going to display as a video. These formulas are very helpful for competitive exams, and not only for competitive exams but also intermediate public exam also. Just go through, dear students. Even some short tricks also I will provide. Number of indefinite integration, J mains, MSET type questions are there in our playlist. Once you go through, dear students, I provided number of videos. I will give the links of that playlist in the description box. Once go and see, dear students. Just the playlist link I will give in this description. So these are the shortcut formulas. We cannot remember all shortcut formulas. Better to go with the regular procedure. And is there any one or two shortcuts you can remember, dear students? But don't depend on every problem on shortcut formula. All the shortcut formulas are coming from regular procedure only. So these are the shortcut formulas and formulas in indefinite integration, dear students. I will come with a definite integration also. Thank you all with shortcuts. Please do subscribe Maths with Panindra.